Kaya rin.
Let the game begin.
On time mo?
Okay, we have Nino.
On time mo, dire?
Maynard nagmamadali
Imong
ng
manghud.
kanyang stutter. And it's a 2 points by Pat Suarez, the team captain of the NHA team.
Uy,
Okay, we have here Simeon Todablo. Olivares.
di na sa kasinggit aning tarong. Shoot
Okay, we
Ayan,
have
nasagot ang
Estelio
gitna.
Suarez, Patrick. Patrick holding the ball hatak sa Maynard. Back to Patrick.
430 kaya yung balance
Attempt for two.
Nice one!
Maynard, very good effort.
430 man gyud kapil naman ang per game. 130 may kulang.
Bigyan na po dito.
300 ba yan per game? Gatong last nyo dula. Nga wala mo na nung
Okay, 14 seconds to shoot. We have here Lotto.
Shot.
It's a 3
Ano, wala akong mga cheerer. Dugay kayo.
Si number 11, Labares. We have Suarez to Maynard. Huh. Shut down. No good. Rebounded by Labares.
Suko ang iro do.
Dahil ako isang diabo.
Wala kaya, yay. Sige, stress. Razel.
Points.
Hey!
Pati plastic ka, una po yan.
Okay, Labares to.
Ay.
Ito na siya. Imar.
Hey!
Number 11.
Hey!
10 seconds to shoot.
Hey! Trabit! Char lang. Twing, ping.
Steal by Suarez.
Walang tangkad niya.
Okay. Giving the ball, Mr. Iman to Labares. 14 seconds to shoot. No good. Nakuha ang Francis to Villegas.
Sama na butong, anong na makadiya?
Maynard to Patrick. Patrick, may tagapasahan. So Francis.
Nice one!
Good ka. 6, 7. 7.
Sige, sa to ba?
Okay, Labares. Labares taking the ball. For 3 points. Double. 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Okay, we have here Patrick to Villegas to Estelio.
Nice one!
Nice ka, nice.
Labares first na foul, first team foul.
Yeah, ka down.
13, standing on the free throw line, Estelio for the first throw, 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Go, Kuya Dan.
Nice
1
one!
point, Mr. Estelio.
Ay, bayot.
14 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound na kuha ni Mr. Patrick.
Lahos, lagi.
Patrick challenge by King Simeon to Maynard back to Estelio.
Geto.
15 seconds to shoot.
Hala ka, nagduwa-duwa gyatay.
To Francis to Maynard. 10 seconds to shoot.
Balik.
Labares binigay.
Hinay lang, uy. Yan.
Hindi tagapasahan and 3 minutes and 18 seconds hindi tagapasahan yatag niya kang Imar. Imar, may nabag ka natin si Imar natag kang Dabro.
Hey!
Rebound.
Hey! Foul.
Foul, jersey number.
Lalapit.
3 minutes and 2 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. 2 points, Mr. Sayo. 2 minutes.
Ano naman, mabusog mo.
15 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 49 seconds.
6, 7.
Wala na kuha ni Timar. Timar nagmamadali and it's a 2 points.
Sige na!
22. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. game, we have Patrick. 15 second shot clock to Naga. Estilio, 10 seconds to shoot.
Hala ka! Balik!
Imal, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Imal,
Gilang!
Hey!
Oh!
Masok nakuha ni Patrick. 2 minutes, 5 seconds.
Go, go, 6,
From Mr.
7.
Naga. Naga ka tayo. Umabot.
Eh!
Kulang sa milk. To Mr.
Saya, let's
Patrick.
go, go. Go.
15 second shot clock. 1 minute and 55 seconds. 10 second shot clock. 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Nice one!
Counted. Foul counted. Foul jersey number.
Kansawan na ka ni Clyde.
Personal foul, 17 foul.
Shot na ba Clyde
1
ganina?
minute and 45 seconds.
Palangga kayo sa siyang big baby.
Boy, maginana sa mo dire?
Sakali ko tong balon.
Dili ta mo maginana diri oy.
Kita ako man video sa katong cathedral nga sa
1
Grace
minute and
Piauso
40
to. Nga
seconds.
naghatag-hatag og balon nga siga-siga. Gusto
Oh.
niya to.
Ah!
Wala yung hatag sa mo ang balon nga siga-siga.
Time out ang Zayden Jays. 25.
Eh, nice.
Mr. Francis.
Nice.
First is an foul, second team foul. Time 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Pwede bang one? Go say. Ano itong gipok ka ulo ka?
14 seconds shot clock. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Double. Double chance will be 10 seconds to shoot.
Oh! Good! Kago!
Ay!
Sige ya! Kaya kay naiyak!
Ay!
Lag yun! Oh!
Practice 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Nang tubig sa kumbag.
Sama kahit ko na video.
1 minute and 15 seconds. Lavares. Lavares leader kasama.
Oy! Wala man! Wala!
What's that?
Iya man!
Reaching number 23 Francis.
Challenge na, sir!
Third team foul.
Challenge man to, ana raman to siya. Ni Duol man yung ulugod.
15 seconds shot clock.
Yan naman to.
Yung ulo rin ni Duol.
Same ball position, 11 seconds shot clock. 1
Ano,
minute and 4
lupa-lupa yan kay...
seconds. 11 seconds shot clock.
Good man to, wala nakuha. Hey!
Umabot.
Ah!
Iman,
Iljaz, kung kunin siya
2
gikan.
seconds to play. 55 seconds. Okay, Patrick. 50 seconds.
Anak pa.
Skill. Yeah, the defense is still not
Sige!
12 seconds to shoot. Foul jersey number 30 seconds na lang po.
Okay.
Nice ka ding!
Jersey number 9, Mr. Nagak standing on the free throw line. Kulot. Kulot. Kulot.
Okay. Perfect
It's a
free
perfect
throw.
throw.
Sakto score.
Ha?
Sakto.
40 seconds.
Eh!
35 seconds.
Banday!
30 seconds.
Wala! Ay, Paul!
25 seconds.
Ay! Ay!
20 seconds.
Balik! Ay, Paul!
Okay, there's a foul.
Sabi ka tatandaan. Nag-start eh, may.
First is an foul. 14 foul, right, 14 penalty. 16 seconds lang po. 16 seconds.
Ay! Daghan ka buok. Sa kanina.
5.
Five! It's on it! Diba?
Time for the first quarter of this game with a score of 21.